Yes, once you swipe with the card, you get money, cash
That's
in your
right.
hand. Rather than cash, we are providing the water, which is 100% pure, chill water. And the main motto for this, that common person can get water. आपको ताजा पानी, बिल्कुल ठंडा चिल पानी मिलेगा.
Fantastic.
And in all districts, all throughout India, we are going to already launched, and we are going to install the machines.
Wow.
So, yeah, with the card system, because it will be very hygienic, there is no coin system, because it will get rest and all this function will be stopped. So, we are providing all this prepaid card system through which you can swipe and sensor will work and you will get the water, which is very economic. We are providing with 5 rupees per liter water.
Okay.
Yeah.
5 rupees a liter.
Yeah, with schools, universities, hospitals, railway station, bus stops, we have planned already, and we got good contracts also.
Okay.
So we are going very soon to install it.
Fantastic. Well,
Thank
in
you,
that case,
Sushant. Yeah.
thank you so much, Lakshmi, with such a wonderful information that you've said. I'm sure you will be facing a lot of, opportunities and obstacles during down the lane, but all the very best for that. I have to admit that. But the question is that how did you come up with this idea of water ATM?
Yes, the idea came because in the childhood, I visited in Delhi, and we used to get, even nowadays also I heard it is there, by putting 1 rupee coin, you'll get the milk.
Well,
So that
coin,
picture
yes.
was already kept in my mind since childhood. And once we started using this ATM card
Right.
for cash, then I want to change this technology because basically I'm from IT background.
Okay.
Worked as a IT director for the CMM 3-level company.
Right.
I left the job and started unemployment. That was also one more vision, for which 6 years we wholehearted, hard work, and that dream have been successfully I completed. This is one more diversification in healthcare domain, and so this whole idea I kept in that.
So-
and we have launched already Water ATM on November 14th.
Okay. Well, in that case, Lakshmi, I'm sorry to cut you out, but I have to ask one simple question because you also left your job at such a top position and you started all over from the scratch. What
Yes,
sort of obstacles did you face? And were you supported by your family and your friends?
Yes, because see, once you get a higher package of job and you leave and you start or you want to be an entrepreneur, naturally you will get first initial stage at home only, because naturally I am very straightforward. My husband said, why you want to do it? As a woman, you can't do it.
Okay.
That I have taken as a challenge.
Okay.
I said, no, I can do it. Please trust me. I want
finally-
to prove myself in some different way.
Okay.
Because I have some visions of my dreams, my passions, which I want to keep in that.
Okay.
Unemployment also I bought, and I'm very successful in that. I can say I have really justified that.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Lakshmi, for being with us on air and giving us all these motivational ideas and information, and of course, boosting our morale. Believe me, it is indeed an honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
You too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, all the best.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
All right. That happens to be P. Lakshmi, an entrepreneur and, of course, MD of Solvex Focus India Private Limited. We're coming up with some more people out there. Till then, let's give you a lift.